The word noun has been derived from the Latin nomen which means name. यानी शब्द नॉन लैटिन भाषा के नोमेन से बना है जिसका अर्थ होता है नेम यानी नाम. In other words, we can say that the word noun is similar to the Latin nomen which means name. Hence, we can say that noun equal to name, the name of anything. In fact, a noun is a naming word. In other words, we can say that naming words are called nouns. यानी नेमिंग वर्ड्स को नॉन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स पर्सन्स जैसे एडम, फार्मर. प्लेसेस जैसे हाउस, बिहार. एनिमल्स जैसे कॉ, डॉग. ऑब्जेक्ट्स जैसे बुक, चेयर. सब्सटेंसेस जैसे गोल्ड, वाटर. क्वालिटीज जैसे ब्यूटी, ऑनेस्टी. मीजर्स जैसे इंच, किलोग्राम. एक्शंस जैसे बैटिंग, कुकिंग. ग्रुप्स जैसे क्राउड, टीम. These are the naming words. So these are called nouns. In fact, the words noun and name are the same basically, but they are differently spelled. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next lecture.